Jamaican Versions, you know it's Big Papa in the kitchen. And today I'm gonna be roasting fish, then fish in foil. I'm gonna be roasting them in my convection roaster. And I'll be stuffing it. I'll be stuffing both fish with spinach, okra, mixed veg. Okay, and basically that's it. I'm just gonna be showing you guys the process how I do my roast fish in the foil in the oven. So when you see me next, you'll be seeing the process. So guys, this is what I'm gonna be using to stuff my fish. Some mixed vegetable, broccoli, peas, bell peppers, carrots, also my okra, and some more mixed vegetables, carrot, Irish potato, corn, peas, mixed with it, and there's my fish, my natural season, my badea, and my fish seasoning, black pepper, and you know my favorite Doris, as I said, it's no MSG, thyme, and all of that. So guys, this is what I'm gonna be doing to stuff my fish. Okay, and I'm also gonna be using spinach. The spinach is almost ready, so you'll see that when I'm about to add it. Right. Put in my seasoning ready. Put out my spinach a bit, because I don't want, I want to make sure that I'm cooked. So, let's put in the carrot and add in the spinach. So, you can see I've had my spinach to the seasoning, and just gonna let it cook for a couple minutes, and then I'll be stuffing my fish with that and okra and the other stuff. So I'm just gonna add in a little let me see, I'm ready. Just gonna add in all that but there. So this is like natural seasoning that has been ground up. So it's a nice thing to add to your meal, whatever you are cooking up, with your seasoning up. So that's it guys, I'm just gonna let this cook down for a bit, and then prepare the stuff, my fish. So one of the first thing I'm gonna be doing guys, I'm gonna be buttering the inside of my fish. Just putting the butter in. Yeah. Trying to get it as ready as best as I can. So yeah. Let's see. Okay. Rest this fish here. I'll do this properly right there. Okay. head. And then I'm gonna be sprinkling in my powdered mix in my fish. This is like fish seasoning, badilla, and a little some black pepper, and also you have to stuff the egg. I don't know about the people. I like eating fish head. A lot of people don't, but I love eating my fish head. Okay, so that is that. Gonna put this like this. And do the next one. Okay, so butter. Butter in my fish. Oh, that's a little to go in the egg part. Yes, that. Right there. And then my powdered mix. Oh, well. It's a bit too much, but it's okay, no worries. Too much right there. Yeah. That's good. So the rest I'm gonna be putting on the outside of the fish when I add my stuff in. So I'll go on to the next step. So guys, I'm about to stuff my fish. You can see some stuff in there. So I'm about to stuff my fish, and I'm gonna be wrapping it in foil. Everything is gonna be wrapped in foil. So yeah, let's hope. Put some of this in the head. Color these there. Okay. Yeah, so yeah. So let me see. Yeah. With it. And wrapping it. And it's gonna be wrapped again in some flour. Just want to be sure that it's completely wrapped. And I'm not gonna just want to be sure that it's completely wrapped. Okay. So the juices won't be like running outside. That's it. So I'm just gonna do the next one, but I won't be showing you guys the process. I'm just gonna be doing this one, then I'm also gonna be doing the next one. Okay, so guys, I forgot to put some butter on the foil paper so the fish doesn't stick on it. So I remove the fish, and I'm about to I'm adding some butter. So when I wrap my fish, the butter does not stick. The fish does not stick to the foil paper. So yeah, my brain is going at a mile a minute, so just like forget to do that. So just showing you how I do it. Make sure that's the first file paper you have to take is butter. Okay, all butter. Okay, so that's it. So I'm just gonna take my fish from this one. Oh. Okay, everything is good. Add it to this one. See? All good. All good in the neighborhood. So just be ready to wrap. Wrap it so it doesn't like make the skin away. So it doesn't okay, that's it. And then another piece of foil. Not a big one. That one is like wet. I'm just gonna make it a different piece. And making sure that my fish is completely wrapped and secure. So that's it. So guys, I'm about to put my fish in the oven. So that's one. And this is the other one. Basically, my oven temperature is preheated at 450, and I'm gonna leave it at that and let these things roast for like 30 minutes, and then see how it goes from there. So I like using this convection roaster instead of the big oven. With this, I can just open it, look and see what is going on, instead of when you have to put in no shelf in the oven. But I just like using this whenever I'm baking. It's so easy to clean. You can just take it out, flip out everything and clean it up, and that's it. But I like using this. So that's it for now. I guess you'll see me in the next whenever it's finished and I'm just taking it out. So that's it for now, guys. So guys, this is my fish, one of my fish out of the oven. I'm just gonna see what's going on. Whoa, whoa, look at that. Look at that, look at, oh, look at this, look at that. Look at that. Oh, 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 perfect. Perfect. Oh, look at that. Look, perfect. Fish just come, the flesh just coming off. Yeah, guys. So that's my stuff. Fish. Let me turn around this so you can see. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh, it's looking so good. So that's it, guys. I'm just gonna have it with some other vegetable, and oh, shouldn't have damaged it like that, but I had to taste it, guys. I had to. Okra's all cooked, ready. Everything is cooked. See it? So guys, that's my steamed fish already. I'm just gonna put the rest of my vegetable in this and just have it shimmy, so you'll see me in a few. So guys, as you can see, that's my steamed fish. So, and I'm having mixed vegetable, broccoli, carrot, pumpkin, Irish, peas, corn, okra, and also the spinach. Everything is mixed up here. So guys, that is my steamed fish. So guys, tell me what you think. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. So I'm just gonna be having it just like that in the foil in my plate. Okay, my plate is right here, so just gonna be having it just like that. So guys, as I said, remember, like and share to the channel. This is BiG POPPA for Jamaican Versions.